Welcome back to another video. Today we will do this example. So we have to find we have to find the number of positive integers from 1 to 100 that has the remainder of 2 when they are divided by 6 and has the remainder of 10 when they are divided by 14. So we have to find these numbers in this interval. So let's try to do this. So I gotta let x be an integer from 1 to 100. That has the first condition. So that has the remainder 2 when it is divided by 6. So by the division algorithm, what do we have? The division algorithm. What do we have? So there exists, let's say, Q1, which is an integer, such that x equal 6q1 plus 2. So actually Q1 must be a positive integer because x is an integer from 1 to 100. Okay, so let's write this number x. So we start from q. So we might start from 0, right? We might start from 0. So we might have this integer. So we have to include 0 in here. So let's start from q equal to 0. So x can be 2, 8, 14, 20, 26, 32, 38, 44, 50, 56, 62, 68, 74, 80, 86, 92, and 98. Okay. Now, let's take a look at another kind of number. So let y be an integer from 1 to 100 that has the remainder is 10 when it is divided by 14. Again, by the division algorithm, what do we have? So we will have a positive integer q including 0 such that y equal, so we divide the number by 14, so we're gonna have 14q2 plus 10, where 10 is the remainder. Okay, so what do we have? We're gonna have y equal to 10, 24. Next is to plug in 3 into here. So what do we have? Plug in 2, sorry, plug in number 2, 38. Okay, plug in number 3 into q2, we're gonna have 52, 68, sorry, 68, yes, 68, 66, sorry, 66. Next 80, 94, and that's it. That's all. And we want to have a number that has the remainder of 2 when divided by 6, and that number must also have remainder of 10 when it is divided by 4. So we have to find the common numbers in here and here. As we can see, we have 38 and what is the next one? 38, 80, right? Okay, 80. So we have 38 and 80. Therefore, we just have two numbers. Okay, so there are two desired positive integers. Okay, that's what we have right here. So that's it for today, and see you in the next video.